Good evening, my friends. This is Pastor Hill, and today I'll be replacing a dual water inlet valve. And you can buy this valve at GE.com, and that costs you more money. You can go to Amazon, you can go to eBay. A dual water inlet valve. And that's if you have a leak like I had right in here. Constant leak that was leaking down. So I'm going to replace the valve. And you always can find your serial number in the door. So what you have to do is unplug this in the back, the washing machine like I did. And you got to take your two hoses off back here. I took mine off right here. And make sure you set them up so they won't drain down on the floor. See that? Two hoses. One goes here, one goes here. You got to take them off. Then here you got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on this panel that you have to take off. And when you take them off, you just slide this up like that. And there's the old one. Dual water connector. So I'm getting ready to take that off and replace it. So I'm going to set this down a minute as I go to work. Okay. Now, got to have some pliers. And you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to take these two screws off. You see, you unplug it here. You got two plugs, one here, one here. You unplug it, and you take these two screws. One, it's just two. You take them off. And then you take some pliers and you disconnect this hose right here. You pull this hose out. That's what I'm getting ready to do now. Okay. Now, I'm going to take this out. Take the hose off. That's why you always got the ladies, you always got to have a handyman, not just a man around. You need a handyman. That's the old one, right there. See? Out with the old, in with the new. This hose back on. Put my two screws back. Had to find my screws. So like I say, this part will stop that leak if you have a leak in your washing machine. Okay. Screw this back down. Then I'm going to plug this back up. One on this side. Now you see I have the new one installed. The 2 wires, I got them plugged up here and one here, and the 2 screws that's holding it down, see? And then you got to take some pliers and squeeze this clamp right here to take this hose off. Then you just tighten this up. And then you put the panel back on. You got some slots that it fits in right there. This washing machine is about 20 years old. Then you take your screws and you put them back in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me do that. One. God can do anything. God can do anything. God can do anything but fail. Okay, now I'll get ready to tighten those screws up. One, 2, 3, 4. Then next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect my hoses back up in the back. One for the cold side and one for the hot side. Now, if I had to call a appliance man, this would cost me about $250. So screw that back on. And sometimes you want to take some pliers and give it a half turn. You know, once you get it on. Not too tight, just a half. Now I'm gonna get ready and plug it back up. Now, turn the water supply on. Give it a test. There you go. Look how that water's flowing. Isn't that beautiful? So that's how you replace a dual water inlet valve on your washing machine. So I hope you enjoyed that video. This is Pastor Hill. Have yourself a great evening. Goodbye.